In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job title to your Microsoft Teams profile. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process, making sure your profile is fully up to date with your professional details. First, let's dive into your Microsoft Teams application. Go ahead and open it up on your desktop. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. This is the gateway to your personal account settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, you need to choose either Manage Account or Edit Profile. This choice depends on your organization's setup, but both options should take you where you need to go. Once you're in your profile settings, look out for the Job Title field. This is the area where you can enter or update your job title. If you see this option, go ahead and type in your job title as you'd like it to appear. If your organization allows user-initiated updates, this is all you need to do to communicate your role clearly to your colleagues and teams. After you've entered your job title, don't forget to hit Save. This is a crucial step, as it ensures all your changes are stored and reflected across Microsoft Teams for your peers to see. By doing this, you finalize your profile update and ensure your work identity is accurately communicated in your professional interactions. Now here's an important note for those who might not see the option to directly edit the job title field. In many workplace environments, roles and job titles are often managed by your organization's IT department through Microsoft 365 or Azure Active Directory profiles. This means that if you're unable to edit your job title through Teams, it might be because your organization has opted to manage this feature centrally. If you find yourself in this situation, the best course of action is to reach out to your IT administrator. You'll want to request them to update your job title within your Microsoft 365 account, which is part of Azure Active Directory. Once they've made this change, the updated information will automatically sync and appear in your Microsoft Teams profile, reflecting your current role accurately. To wrap things up, updating your job title on Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process, provided your organization's settings allow it. If adjustments need to be made at an administrative level, a quick dialogue with your IT department is your quickest route to resolution. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your team's profile settings, making sure your professional identity is as dynamic and updated as your career path itself.